My name is Simon Arnold. I'm an architect and designer and the founder of the Brooklyn-based firm Arnold Studio. Today we're outside of a project we worked on in Bedford Stuyvesant. This building was built in 1905 on this beautiful tree-lined street. We completely restored the stonework at the front facade, and for a modern touch, we completely replaced all of the windows with large format tilt and turn windows. And then we salvaged all of the original cast iron railings and brought greenery back to the front yard. And this balancing act between new and old continues on the inside. We wanted to create a series of warm and contemporary light-filled spaces, and it all starts here on the parlor floor. This floor contains the main living spaces, a dining area and a kitchen at the rear. There were some really beautiful original features that we wanted to keep. There's the central staircase that we completely restored, and the pocket doors that separate the now kitchen from the living space. And as another way to maintain some of the original features, we replaced all of the molding at the ceiling and at the staircase. In the living room, we wanted to create an informal but luxurious space to take advantage of all the daylight that's filtering through these new windows. On this project, we collaborated with the interior designer, Jamie Perez Herrera. One of the features we worked on together was this full-height fireplace. We gave it clean lines and we finished it in Venetian plaster. And there's few things nicer than sitting in front of a roaring fireplace in the deep winter. Since the dining room is between the living room and kitchen, we wanted to find a subtle way to delineate it. So we had the idea, why not use the floors? We use walnut floors throughout the building, but here at the dining table, we decided to change the shape into a rectangle to mimic the form of a room. It's a very simple and elegant detail that I think gives this area a really unique identity. In the kitchen, it's all about the materials. We all fell in love with this beautiful Italian red marble that we wanted to use everywhere. The center island uses the marble at the countertop and into the sink. On one wall, we have full-height cabinetry that hides the fridge and an espresso bar. Originally, there were two windows that we converted to glass doors. These lead out onto a new terrace and stare down to the garden. And the garden is a really peaceful spot to spend some quiet time outside. There are 3 floors in the townhouse. On the top floor, there's a sun-filled studio, and here on the second floor, we devoted it entirely to the primary suite. Our main design feature is this freestanding volume that separates the bedroom from the staircase. It also contains a walk-in closet. And in the bedroom, you can really appreciate the light from these large windows, yet it's absolutely quiet in here. Because we put this volume in the center of the floor, it allows you to walk all the way around it. So when the clients have guests, they can close these doors to the staircase and still have access to the rest of the floor. And at the other side of the stair is the primary bath. Here again, we paid attention to materials. This countertop and sink is made from travertine. We also have a freestanding tub that's made from a solid surface material that's soft and warm to the touch. We located the shower along the rear wall and built a full-height shower screen from textured glass that filters light into the rest of the room. The best part is, the clients love it. This project was about embracing the past, looking into the future, and channeling the personalities of our clients. We think it turned out great. Thanks so much for stopping by.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.